Is mic working? Mic's working. Okay, the other thing we gotta try is this whole drop thing. Oh, it does work. Okay. It's really small, but it does work. Cool. That camera should go over. Hey, Waku Waku. Yeah, I got drop or something. I thought should it be bigger? I feel like it should fall for longer, right? That's how I feel. Ooh, pool party. But anyway. It should fall for longer. Chat command is still drop. Yeah, how do you make it? Can you make it any bigger? I don't know. We'll just run with this for now. I just was looking at some dates. 9, 3, 10, 6. These are random days. 19, 3, and 11. We like Tuesdays, don't we? Okay. Let's delete that. Okay, I just have one email to reply to. So I did some investigating offline, and I cannot deploy on Cloud Run. That's the moral of the story. Like, I have to deploy on a VM. I could do it on like App Engine or Compute Engine or something like that, but those are the cost of monies. So we're gonna try DigitalOcean today. And we're also gonna try a morning stream. See if I can get any traction. Like doing this stuff. No, I just wanna, oh my gosh, because, I don't know, if people work now, right? Isn't this when people are working? So if this is when people are working, this is when we wanna share them, right? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I just know we'll keep doing the drop. And we should have, oh yeah, I was gonna have a DigitalOcean Deploy to digital ocean droplet. It should be like super straightforward. How to. I don't want your how to. No, I don't want to do it with Git. Yeah, I know. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, this is a great time for Spain, huh? 6 p.m.? Maybe that's why people in the morning get they get all of Europe. Right? We had at our meetup last night, we had a speaker from Poland. Our meetup started at, anyway, it was like 2 a.m. for him. And it was like 6 p.m., 7 p.m. for us. Or what would that be? 12 plus 7, 1900? So he was sitting around at 2 a.m. and we were sitting around at 1900. 19 hours. Oh, what volume? The music volume? Or my sound volume? That good? I can lower any volume you want. See, there's compute, volumes, spaces, databases, container registry, network monitoring. I think we want to deploy to a droplet. Digital ocean deploy Docker image to droplet. I had a really good article opened on my iPad yesterday. Docker hosting with a one click. I don't want to deploy from the container registry per se. I want a tutorial. And I want a tutorial. Not that tutorial. Type, post, tech talks, cheat sheets, meetup kits. They do so much content. Oh, that's probably, anyway. DigitalOcean has so much content. That's part of the problem. Is it a DigitalOcean? Ocean quick start? Yeah, look at that. Create a droplet, connect with SSH, connect droplet. Can I deploy to droplet? Deploy to droplet. I've already searched this, haven't I? I don't want to know about all your Yeah, let's go here. Oh yeah, this is where it was. How to So the droplets are just compute engines. They're just VMs. So I should be able to drop anything into a VM, right? Quick start. Create droplet. No. What the heck? Yeah, I mean, that's the equivalent is EC2. 100%. Reboot, resizing, snapshotting. I mean, it shouldn't be hard. I want somebody to give me the steps, essentially. That's all I want. Somebody just give me the steps. Oh, this is all Gatsby stuff. I should send it to my friend at work. He loves Gatsby. Yeah, I know, they have Docker stuff. Oh, I have to install Docker onto an existing droplet. Maybe I don't want something that hard. Maybe I do just want to deploy an app via container registry. And Bordelon. Hi, how are you? Welcome to the channel. Digital. I'm deciding which path I want for my DigitalOcean deploy for my the Twitter bot, the tweeter bot. Essentially. Figuring out DigitalOcean, Docker, registry, deploy. Yeah, like that. Yes, they do have droplets with Docker pre-installed. They also let you, I can provision it a whole lot of ways, but I know they have stuff like, see, I can use the image with Kubernetes. I just think Kubernetes is like way too much overhead for this. Yeah, I think but I like the app stuff is essentially just they install the stuff on the droplet for you, so that way I don't have to do like any like stuff with Terraform or Ansible or any kind of rancher setup and garbage that I don't want to do. Because like I don't want to do it. So, I mean, yeah. That's probably what we'll end up doing. So, yeah. I have this stuff. And I mean, this is... I mean, we've been doing this. We did it like all last week. This is like all the same commands I did on the other thing. Right? Oh, I have to go configure the registry? Do I have to init that? How do you... I already authenticated. Oh, I have to create a registry? There we go. Registry name, we're gonna call this the Forge registry. They don't care. Oh, last week I was still working on, I've been working on this tweetbot for a while, so it just connects Discord and Twitter, so that meetup organizers and conference organizers that do events through my nonprofit can use our Twitter. That way I just have to manage Discord permissions and I don't have to share Twitter authentication. It's just a little bit easier for me. Anyway, and then we can expand it, include LinkedIn or whatever. But anyway, or like Slack or whatever platform we want to end up doing for this. So I've been working on this for a while, and all last week I was trying to get the Docker image and certs working for Cloud Run, and it, yeah, fizzled out. So we're just gonna try and do it this way. I think DigitalOcean, I think their closest region is, yep, see, New York. So now I can do registry login. Cool. I know, it's a great idea. I'm glad I don't always have good ideas. But when I do... Okay. Docker tag. Twitter bot. This is not the most recent image. Sorry. Docker build Twitter bot. Oh, thanks for the follow, M. Bordelon. Appreciate that. Appreciate that support and that love. And now we are only 85 away from reaching our goal, and that's what's important. And that's all that matters. And you know, if we're lucky, just thinking about it, if we're lucky, I really like that Pikachu. DigitalOcean will hear about this and send me like a t-shirt or something, because that's what Nats did. Nat sent me a t-shirt for this. Docker tag. Now I can do Docker tag Twitter bot, which is now updated with all the certs. Registry. Oh guys, I can't spell. This is not smart on my oceanpart.com. My registry, what do we call it? Forge Foundation registry. Hey, I even spelled Forge Foundation correctly. I don't usually do that. And then my image, we're gonna call it TwitterBot. Oh, so now we Docker push that. Docker push. And if we're lucky, this will show up. My nonprofit, the Forge Foundation, it puts on meetups and conferences. So my conference that we have, the Go West conference, that's one that they put on. And we do several meetups. We also have like a Slack community and a job board. One of our co-founders is trying to start some Ethereum thing. He's supposed to be working on the website, but he's really trying to start an Ethereum thing. But basically, we're just trying to build the local community by creating a tech network, getting local speakers, and just making it, providing like educational opportunities and networking opportunities and all those fun, jazzy things. So now, do we have a registry? What do you mean? You should have a history there. See, look, it just says history today successful. It doesn't say it was pushed. So, yeah, let's do that. So now, where was my reference? There we go. I'm trying to do this all with the command line because nobody wants to see me push buttons. Like, I'm sorry. Nobody wants to see me push buttons. Oh, I can just do a registry get, right? And see dockle registry get. That's good. Why is my screen all messed up? Somebody moved my screen, so then you couldn't see things. There's better. Is there an images? Was there an image get command? Like, no, there's that. What about list? Was there a list command? Oh, I'm sorry. We want apps. Create a deployment. Oh, cool. Let's do that. Oh, sorry. Ooh, is there a verbose? Yeah, we'll always do -v. What? What command am I missing? No, I did it just right. Apps create. Command missing, argument required. What am I? Huh? Okay, that doesn't make any sense why that requires a command. I don't have an app ID. Okay, we'll just go back here. Maybe you will enjoy seeing me click buttons. Source directory, yeah, that's fine. Environment variables. We have a lot of these we need to add, don't we? Yeah, I do have a lot of these I need to add. Ooh. Because I have a lot of secrets in this application. So now we get to play a drop game. Everybody, oh, I don't have the drop game on this, do I? Let's add it. Add browser source. Add existing, add the drop game. Now, you play the drop game. See? Drop. And you should be able to change the emojis. See, and that dropped Lulu. Why did that? Is the whole point of this to try and get close to the target? Can you even change that? I don't understand. I think it's fun. I think it's super fun. Gotta interact with your chat or something. So yeah, I have environment variables for Docker, not Docker. No, you were there. I just don't know why it's not keeping you. Did you miss? Can you miss? Why isn't it letting me go again? Oh, let's try this. Drop reset. Or is it reset drop? It's reset drop. I thought that was it. It's reset drop. Okay, it did reset. Okay, good. can you miss? You can miss. That's interesting. There goes my camera. It's been 30 minutes. What? Boo. We're all missing. We don't need that. A database password we do need. So yeah, so I have oh my goodness. Am bored alone. You made my day. Thanks for that sub. That's a big deal. I appreciate that. That's that gets me one more. I think that's six subs in total. That's awesome. Thank you so much. It goes a long way to not only my motivation, but to helping me out. That stays. Discord. And then, yeah, so Discord. So I have database stuff for the cockroach database. I have Twitter stuff for the Twitter. And then I have Discord stuff for the Discord. Like, it's so many. So many. Oh, great. So many things. Oh, you made it! You made it that time. I don't think I used the public key. I think I only used the token. Okay. And that should be all of the things I need to add. Type. Yeah, we'll do a web service. Now close that. 8080. Don't need a database because I'm using the cockroach database. Name. Cool. You can see my stuff now. I apologize. I just like if I don't do basic security, then what am I? I'm mediocre. Why would I want the... Why can't I do starter? Oh, because starters... No, I don't... This thing is bare minimum. Like... We're doing bare minimum here. Why would I want the... Why can't I do starter? Oh, because starters... No, I don't... This thing is bare minimum. Okay, I was like, why am I hearing myself? That's why. Yeah, I don't want you. I don't want that. So I can click settings and add something, it says. So settings, add component. Oh, so in the add component, seriously, I was not ready to like hear myself talk. Okay, where's this codes? There's a code source? Oh, it's a demo. No, I don't want to destroy the component. Oh, I can get... Oh, I see. Can I edit that? Because I spent so much time... Yeah, just don't do that build. Upload a file. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, look at that. We might consider that in the future. When we set up CI/CD. I don't want domains. I want in that component. I wanna use the registry stuff. Source. How come I can't edit that? Ah, crud. Yeah. Seriously, hard code them and then open source them. Create a resource. There we go, that one. Yeah, that same thing. And next, create a resource. I think I'm gonna do that file thing. Why would I? No, we'll just copy it. Was that Pog guy bouncing around behind my head? Our Twitter account. Oh, maybe I do just want the app level environment variables. I don't know. Cheeto Bandito! Thank you for that follow. Thanks for joining us, hanging out with us today. Unless you followed with like a CLI and you're actually not on the screen. Oh, you used my Lulu emote? She's probably barking at somebody. I know it failed. You want to know why it failed? Because none of my secrets are up there. And, you know, what else do you do? I gotta add the secrets again because, you know. Oh, and now they're sending me emails saying, oh, your thing failed. It's like, well, no, duh. No dip. Of course it failed. Because you and your almighty powers. See? Drop game. Are you closer? Nope, you were closer last time. You and your almighty powers. Me and my app design has only like 97,000 auth credentials I need. Only 97,000. It's not a big deal. If it was only 96,000, it would be much faster. I thought about adding this stuff to the database, but then I decided no. I don't want to add it to the database. And then I decided, oh, I'm not done adding app level environment variables, you stinker. I only added Twitter ones. Is anybody else gonna try their hand at drop? Exclamation point drop. I'm just trying to entertain you guys when it gets boring. Because we all know it gets boring. Build a separate API to handle creds. I mean, could I do that? Yes. Do I really want to? No. I think, what Discord stuff do I use? I use the Discord token. Do I use any more? I mean, I only use the Discord token, so that's the only one I need to save. Discord has a lot of stuff, a lot of permissions, but not all of them are important. Okay. Do it for content. I have so many things I could be doing for content. Thing number one. Generics just came out. I could be messing with Go generics. Thing number two. The rest of this bot, like, I need to get it to, like, schedule our YouTube videos. I need to be able to upload YouTube video stuff. I need to be able to, like, there's, like, I don't know. The list of projects I have is not small. Let's just put it that way. I have many a project. What? Go to deploy logs. My deployment failed again. What's my problem this time? YouTube videos. I need to be able to upload YouTube video stuff. I don't want to listen to myself. I just. Failed again. What's my problem this time? So yeah. Starting container not started. Like seriously. Yeah, you have a 20-second delay. 2-0. Non-root container. Process failed to load app Twitter exec format error. Oh, we had this problem before. There is no previous thing for you to roll back to. I know it runs. It looks like my head's being cut out by a component on the screen. So, I mean, it shouldn't be a problem. I have an egress set on the Docker file. Oh, this doesn't need to be there. This doesn't need to be there. This doesn't need to be there. That doesn't need to be there. That doesn't need to be there. I knew I was gonna have this happen. Oh, you used the Max emoji! My other puppy! They're so good puppies. They're my so good puppies. Oh yeah, I need to add that. I need to add that. Or that's not gonna work. And then when we set it up, what do we have? The path for the cert being edit DB connection. Sweet. So he does have that set, so we're fine. I need to add one more environment variable. Bye, go have fun playing the settings, app environment variables. See, there's always freaking more. Okay, so that should now be added. I've got some encrypted junks, some not encrypted junks. You should be fine to see again. Welcome back. Yeah, I want to look at the deploy logs. I mean, this is great. These are like, aren't these like perfect logs? Failed exec format error. What the heck is that? Docker exec format error when running container. Oh, I have to do build X. I knew this. I knew this. You want to know how I knew this? Because they told me on my last freaking stream. I have to do build X or else it won't work. Yeah. So I have to do... We have to start over. So what's happening is I'm building it on an M1 Mac. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, I don't wanna... Oh my gosh, I can't type. No. I mean, yeah, we can write you. Okay, so I'm building it on an M1 Mac. M1 Mac is an ARM, basically hardware, and so it basic. When I build a Docker image, it can only be run by ARM 64, and so we need it to be with an 86. Basically, I need to build it in a way that it can run on Linux, and that's why I have to use the BuildX. What the heck? There we go. Is it Docker BuildX build or Docker X BuildX? Docker BuildX build. And this will build it for Linux as opposed to for Mac. M1, I mean the ARM 64. I don't do hardware! Right, and then we do docker push. Yeah, I mean, it's 100%. And if you have a build pipeline, like most modern development companies do, you don't have that problem, right? You would build the image in your build pipeline. I don't have a build pipeline right now, because I just want it to work first. Yeah, but the latest is... I should be able to list those now, right? Yeah, I have 2 images. So if I go to my apps, there should be a way to update your image, right? Like that should be, oh my gosh, Twitter bot. Like updating the image should be trivial, right? Look at those nice little encrypted garbly-gook. Tag latest. Oh, so I can't hear. Can I hear? Edit. Oh, can I wanna just kill you. Oh, so it is just latest. Yeah, but latest is different. Close. Actions, deploy. Can I, like, did that do anything? Okay. Theoretically, it should pull in the latest. Yes, right? Because DigitalOcean is running their Docker containers on Linux boxes. Are we still talking about the architecture? I'm just waiting, like, seriously. Google domains are generally available. Eivor, how you doing, my man? I've quit doing Google Cloud. And I've switched. No, if the Docker image is built on M1, it would not work. Build was. Ugh. What is your issue? It didn't update it. No. So. What happens is, when you compile a Docker image using the M1 Mac processor, which is an ARM64, the Docker image is basically compressed in a way that it can only be decompressed by an ARM64. Linux does not run on ARM64, right? They're a whatever 86X. for all the Linux servers. So they cannot read and run Docker images built on ARM64. They can only run ones built on the x86 style processors. So I have to do Docker build x build to build it as a Linux, in a way that the Linux processors can then run the image. If I have a build pipeline, that would fix that problem. End of the day, we're still doing Docker on DigitalOcean because Google Cloud sucks. But this exec format error means to me that it's not doing the new image. So I'm just gonna kill it. I'm just gonna delete the old one. I mean, let's just, yeah. No, I don't want to delete the registry. I just want to delete the images. Like, you too? Bye. Yeah. I don't... Can I just do that? That's a hack. Nah. Yeah, it's a whole thing. I mean, it was the exact same problem I was running into the Google Cloud and all the other things. What the heck is 0195 Anin? You don't make any sense, Ivor. Okay, so this one should be the buildx. Should we delete that and just start over? Right? Like, see how that says it's 6 minutes old? I just pushed that. I don't trust it. I don't trust any of this. Okay, yeah, look at that. It's the same. We're gonna delete that. Docker delete is not a command. It's RM, isn't it? Oh, I could... Oh, yeah. Docker RMI. Yeah, thank you. That merge thing's supposed to come up once every 2 hours. We haven't even been streaming for 2 hours, and I've seen it 4 times. In my Go binary? No. Oh. My cluster ID's not set. Yes. So the Docker builds it. I mean, it's running in the Docker env, right? So as long as it builds in the Docker environment, it should run in the Docker environment. Nobody buys my merch, so why do I need to sell the merch? Like, you're not off, Waku. I'm not saying you're wrong. Let me just... I don't compile with that look. it's just go Alpine, right? And it's just on Alpine. And it builds it here, so I'm not sending anything, so it's not a big deal. Anyway. Oh. What was I doing? Oh, I was deciding whether I wanted to set the cluster ID or not. Oh, I was gonna do Docker images. Must force, is that a -F? Yeah, I want to delete all of them. I used to have a little like command in here. There it is. Look at that. Watch this. What? I'm gonna do it freaking right. Force it. It just cleans up Docker images, right? What? Oh, do I have it running? Not anymore. I just want to delete all of these. Right? Like... just clean them up. Yeah, that should be... Maybe I can put the -F before. What do you mean command not found? Oh, it's... It's not doing my force. Anyway. Alright, so the Docker build x build should build it. And then we should do Docker tag. Alright, so now we've tagged that one. Docker push. And the build x build. Did I need to specify the platform I'm building it on? Is that the problem? Oh! Alendrufts. Hashes. I don't know what I was just trying to clean up some of my darker images, and thank you, Wakumaku, for that. Command. I'm gonna do that. I'm straight up doing that right now. Because those Docker images need to be cleaned up. Alejandros? Welcome to the chat. Wait, but don't we want the -F? DRMI. See, it's still not forcing it. Alejandro FS. Alejandro FS. So does Alejandro. I'm gonna go undo my Docker thing. Because we're getting sidetracked. Actually, it's here. Images all-Q. Yeah, I'll mess around with that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Waku is representing us out of Spain today. He is our Spain friend. Making sure that we keep our need for oh man, now I'm like, what's that big old Spanish food dish that people like? There's a lot. I'm not saying there's like only one main staple of Spanish cuisine, like that's a lie. And making sure that we use the thetas correctly. It's always fun when I run into people that speak Spanish, but are from Spain. Like, I speak South American Spanish. All day, every day. But, Spain Spanish is so different. De Barcelona. I am a fan of Barcelona FC, though, so... but not so much, because, anyway. Hola, Alejandro. My, brother-in-law's from Peru, and he just had a baby, so they're trying to raise their baby bilingual. My sister only started learning Spanish after they got married, so I try to speak Spanish with, my half-Peruvian niece, when I can. Oh, you're from Barcelona as well? También? Anyway, it's fun, but yeah, the dialects are so different between South American Spanish and South American Spanish. I mean, but the thing is too, is there's about as many dialects of Spanish inside of Spain as there are across all of Latin America, and so that also, like, mind-blowing and hilarious, in my opinion. We were on the Docker tag step, correct? No, we already did that, right? If I do Docker images, we already have a tag. Right? Right here. There we go. You're gonna go on vacation to Barcelona? Aren't you already in Europe, Ivor? Yeah, and then they start using that vosotros, and it's like, nope, that's not even a thing. Not even a thing. Makes me laugh. Again, South America doesn't exist. So I'm just like, not a thing. Docker push. Hey buddy, how you doing, Max? You are wet. Have you been outside? So this one's 20 minutes old. Yeah, we can, yep. Delete that. This one's 28 seconds old, so we should be able to... See, Berlin's not that far. Don't people just travel across Europe all the time? I don't know. I feel like going to different countries in Europe is a little bit closer to like going to different states in the United States. They encourage it in a way. Force, rebuild, and deploy. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And where's your build logs? And then if that doesn't work, then I might have to specify what I'm running it on. I think it says it somewhere. I've never been to Europe. I had a chance. I mean, like, I've been invited to speak at several European-based conferences, but COVID, you know. So, I would have gone. Go get him, Max. Go bark with Lulu. Had COVID not happened. Again? Is this telling me that there's another error? Oh, that's not what that says. Failed to load. No, it's still the same freaking thing. Yeah, I need to specify the platform. Hand button. I should, right? Gotta do this in Oracle for that free platform? Oh my gosh. Yeah, the day that I start encouraging people to do Oracle DBs. What the heck? What I need to build it for Linux something or another, but what is my hardware? I wonder if DigitalOcean tells me what to do. So if I do Docker build x DigitalOcean, are they going to give me any secrets as I just need to know. Oh gosh. It's a Linux something or another. Does anybody know what the hardware is? By that, I wasn't asking any of you in chat. I was literally asking the entire internet. Should we try that? Why DigiOceana? I don't get the joke. Oh, or why am I doing DigitalOcean? What? Docker, not Docker. I don't want to play for cloud because they do ingress costs. DigitalOcean's a standard flat fee of $5. That's super predictable for my budget. Because believe it or not, I do have a budget. So that's why. The price. Yeah, I'm just doing it because it's cheaper. And they integrate with GitHub. And they've given me stickers before. I don't know, I feel comfortable with DigitalOcean for some weird reason. Maybe because they sponsor GopherCon? Anyway, that's what I'm doing, DigitalOcean. Even though last Friday I was suggested to use the cloud, the Oracle Cloud, because that's free. And I don't know. What are the supported architecture? Oh, gotcha. Clint doesn't know how much money Forge has in the bank account. He just knows that when we yeah, I manage Forge. Docker Swarm? Docker Swarm's still a thing? So do you happen to know what their platform is? Is this right? Because I thought I had to do a different one. Ivor, since you use it for your side projects. Why would I want Traefik and Docker? That's just like saying I should use Kubernetes for this. I don't want to use Kubernetes for this. Could I? Sure. Just too much work. Can use Kubernetes for anything. Heck, if we figure this out, what? Oh my gosh. Docker build create use. I don't understand. Oh my gosh. Should I not even try and do it locally? Should I do a freaking build pipeline? I'm gonna merge my stuff. I'm gonna do it. This is giving me too much headache. We only want to add the Docker file. I just thought Docker Swarm died. I know some people still use it. Do I have this repo open somewhere? Ready for review. I'm gonna merge it anyway, but just for kicks and giggles, feel free to throw yourself a review on there. Squash and merge. Look at that. Those can go. This can go. Yep. Okay, so now we go to settings. Where's the change ownership? Transfer. Forge. What's the organization name for Forge? Do we know? I should know, I'm a freaking admin. Forge Utah, okay. They get it. It's Forge Utah, all lowercase. Okay. I mean, I'm just not gonna use Dr. Swarm. Haha. I think I have a code owners thing in here somewhere. It should be in GitHub code owners. Oh, it's still just me. Okay, cool. Cool. So now, if we go back to DigitalOcean baloney and edit the source. Create resources from GitHub. Yes. Yeah. Only the one repo that I choose. Where's the tweet bot? There it is. Now you can have access to this one. I used K3S. Isn't that the last time I did Kubernetes locally, I did K3S. Isn't that a thing? Or Docker well, yes. The only thing that merch timer does, like the only, oh my gosh, it's 12:30. I need to leave in half an hour. Well, yeah. Looks like something went wrong. You went wrong. Oh, look, they literally did have something today. Really? That's awesome. Why do I want two? I only want one. Next. Does the global environment variables, does that have the cluster ID? Okay, it does. Cool. Yeah, we're good. Well, we're gonna kill the Twitter bot in a minute, so that's fine. We can... What? Huh? What the heck is this error? Oh, you guys can't even see my beautiful face. There's my beautiful face. I'm gonna try again. Well, I don't need a 2. I only need 1. Okay, and now... What the heck is this? Hey, have a good night! Waku Maku! Descansa bien! You know, and all that other good stuff. What's your freaking errors problem? I don't understand that error. I mean, I'm sure there's a way to freaking automate it. I mean, that'd be the goal. But sometimes I just run it to run once. Just to make sure it works. Oh my gosh, look, the green on my wristband is green screened out so that it looks like the background. Does they want this to be called TwitterBot? Was that the issue? See, I was trying. Okay, then don't. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can destroy the component. So now I want to add a component, create resources. So I was trying to do it like with the command line, which is step 0 to automation, is have commands instead of button clicks. But then it decided to be stupid. So back. Oh, I don't want you. Next. 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 What is this error? And why does it not let me see it for more than 5 seconds? I'm not doing anything in Kubernetes. That error is, what's this? Error validating app spec. Services name, service name in body should match. It doesn't like my name. That's the issue? Is you don't like my service name? So it doesn't like automated tweet bot? What if I call it Forge tweet bot? Oh, stop it. How's that? Oh, that was it. It didn't like my underscores. And so now I'm not doing any kind of build myself. So it shouldn't give me that error. Am I right? Am I right? I don't even know what to think. Oh my goodness. I have a question, Ivor. What is a Docker context? See, this is the build part that I was doing on my local machine before. I've never dealt with Docker contexts. Oh, see ya. Bye. Have a fun time. Thanks for your help. I hope to be catching you later. Maybe on Friday, you know, whatever. No, you're peacing out. You're fine. Go peace out. Have a good night. It's like midnight for you in Berlin. Probably closer to like what? 8? So. Oh, okay. Then yeah, I do know what a Docker context is. See, look, it built on their stuff. So if it built on their stuff, then it's one step closer. Missing cluster name and connection string. Not even. The cluster name's right there. Oh look, and you can even see my password. Oh, that's nice. Oh, chaotic night. You like my typing? That's really weird that it says that it's giving me that, connection error. That's good. That's way good. That's, that means that's something I can fix. Let me just add something locally real quick. DB cluster ID. Okay, that should work. So you can run local machine containers anywhere else. That doesn't, or just like edit them. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. You don't have a mechanical keyboard, Chaotic Knight? I do. What? How on earth do I have a problem with that? No, that's fine. It doesn't like my comments. I can, oh, I'll take that. I will take that YouTube. All day, every day. Thank you so much. Docker run. Not that. So we need to get rid of this. And we'll just do DB cluster ID. And that should be everything. Could not parse ham. Great, see, you still see my freaking password. What? I'm sorry, water ruining your keyboard? Thanks, N button. That makes sense. I like how everything I do. Bruh, Metin! That's enough. I'm deploying Talking Ben. What's Talking Ben? Hi, Bruh, Metin. How you doing? Welcome. We get a way more active chat in the morning. You guys are like killing it with chat activity. I usually don't get like anybody typing in chat. It's like ghost. Couldn't parse PIM in SSL cert. Do we have... Did it add... So... It wouldn't have added the SL cert here. It would have added it somewhere else. Right? So we add the SSL cert straight onto the Docker container when we run, but only only when we run it. Thanks, Chaotic Knight. I'm really consumed by Brummet, and he doesn't make any sense. I think, first of all, we should be able to see that. If I do a Docker run IT, I assume it's a bot, but I'm confused. Peace out, Ivor. See you later. Oh, I only have... Exactly. Dude. See ya. I don't like it when people troll me. I have no patience. And it gets sexist really fast, so I just don't care. Thanks for joining. Hope you watch, but you either respect me or you don't. And that's pretty much how it works here. We need to... I can't see the logs when I run at the standard out, but I probably could fix that by doing an interactive or a verbose on the run. Is there a Docker run verbose? Docker run verbose? Oh, thanks for following, Brometin. Guess you didn't notice I banned you from chat. Yeah, you don't help me. There we go. I really thought I was gonna get closer to getting this done today. F. But I gotta go. Let's try running it with an interactive though. Also the other thing. We do have a close. In here. And what that did, it would drop the table. I don't mind that, but I think I want to add, like a remove that file. Golang. Oh, looks like that crashed. There's no OS remove. You're kidding me. Oh gosh. So we're gonna, let's go add that. I found you. Oh yeah, I'll definitely do that. I'll dump it in Forge Slack, and ask questions for sure. Let me just add this quick cleanup step, and then we'll get it out there. I think, it was pretty basic. I don't think we've hit anything yet that I don't know. It was just saying it couldn't connect to the database. So that's back to a code issue. So basically having the build pipe, I just moved it to run its own build pipeline from the GitHub resources, so it's way better. So now I just need to get the connection string fixed, and we should be good to go. But I also want to do a func remove cert, because, yeah, exactly. Const. So yeah, if anything, but yeah, I'll update everybody in the Forge Slack, since this is a Forge bot, now owned by the Forge Foundation. Haha! We are gonna be a coding organization yet. Cool. And then this will just be remove cert with context. Cool. Yeah. So yeah, no worries. Like, if you're at work, I don't expect you to, like, drop everything and debug my code with me. That's not where I'm at here. Chad is just the best rubber duck that was ever invented, honestly. Like, I love you guys. I love Twitch chat. I think sometimes somebody asked me yesterday, me, because I'm kind of a little bit of an extrovert. I'm a socially anxious extrovert. Like, that describes me to a T. And somebody at work was wondering why I prefer to work remotely as opposed to in the office, because I need that social. And he's like, oh yeah, you have Twitch. I'm like, yeah, heck yeah, I have Twitch. I talk to literally nobody all the time. I mean, we've gotten a lot better. Chat used to be silent. In the past couple streams, we've had our super active chat, and I'm super grateful for it. I don't think we should necessarily... I mean, that can just be a log. Like, in this case, because we still want to close the database. Is there a log error? Well, I mean... yeah, we'll just print. Well, I'm basing me being an extrovert on the fact that, like, I get a lot of enjoyment and a lot of validation from social interaction. Like, it's super good for me. But I don't like people, and I also have a lot of social anxiety, so... not an introvert. Definitely an extrovert. But not also a social butterfly. So, you know, there's that. Remove cert is 2. It's declared Right here. Oh my gosh. Why is this not writing? Oh gosh, okay. So now we have a client shut down, OS exit, and we are going to do that. We're also going to, in this step, actually, we'll just stick it right here in the defer. Yeah. And not here. Oh, it wouldn't be there. Tab, it would be in the client, actually, set up. Right? Because it's on the database client. Right? What's our database client called? So when we connect, yeah, it is on DB. Okay, db.close. You don't have to drive. You can turn into the meetup online in button. Also, it was a good meetup last night. Oh, and it's DB. Guy from Poland spoke about gnats. Greg ranted about Tailscale for half an hour. Somebody talked about using gnats as a service mesh. There we go, that's what I wanted. And now that doesn't tear down the database, that just closes the database when I need to close it. So let's try Docker run IT again. And I don't know. Oh. Paul wasn't there last night. I was in charge, not Paul. And yes, you have to bug Paul in person. Couldn't parse PEM in SSL root. Oh. That's a new thing. But yeah, bugging Paul in person is the best. What? That doesn't apply to this at all. No, Paul's missed the last 2 Kubernetes meetups. The next meetup... Bye, Drew. My nephew stayed over here last night, so he wouldn't stay home alone. Just a teenager, so he just letting me know he left. Something just vibrated. But the only thing that vibrates is literally in my hand. I said I was going to be wrapping this up. My goodness. Also, I can't commit this anymore. I need to change my remote. Because the remote's different now. Oh, GitHub. Git. Change remote. It could be. It probably is pulling the right cert. So this is using Newman cert code. And I need to test that. It runs locally. But I also have a cert locally. Ooh, if it runs locally. There you go. See, it doesn't run locally anymore. So I changed something. So you're right. It's definitely a cert problem, and I'll fix it. Yeah, that's what I need to do. I just need to change the URL. Git remote set URL origin, and that needs to be the new one. You're right, end button. I agree with you. But the fact that the problem is the same locally and remotely is a step in the right direction, I would say. This would be I need to change this branch name. This is a horrible branch name. I agree. No, this is add cleanup. Okay, now you make me want to fix it. Do I really have to leave? Not really. And Bordelon, you're back! Is it working? No. Is it closer to working? 1000% yes. There goes my thing again. Yeah. What's wrong now? Oh, now it's a cert problem, but it's actually wrong locally, so I can fix it locally, so it's good. We're all good. There's 3 PRs? How are there 3 PRs? Oh, look at that. We've got dependbot PRs because we have dependbot on all of the things here at Forge. That's awesome. Yeah, it's fine. We're not doing any, like... No. Rebase master. I mean main. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. I'm not hard coding the creds. This is a public repo. Can I do a git rebase skip? What's this one now? Nope, we're still not to the last one, so. Oh, I forgot the dash dash on the skip. Merge conflict on Docker file. Our Twitter account. Again, if the password was created by my password manager, it's not our Twitter account. We have a business and we need to maintain our nonprofit status. I have to manage something at some point. No, we're still skipping that one. Oh, we're gonna abort that rebase. Professional. I like that. Look at those puppies. Sleeping on his bed. His bed's right there. I can see it through my green screen. Not through, but like there's a hole right there. We'll just ignore that. I'm keeping... Your title is security? That's awesome. I think somebody I knew I was looking for a security engineer. So, not that that's related at all. Yeah, we have this SSL root cert, and then we have a cert path. And that cert path, that's what you were saying was different. End button. Security Engineer 2. What does that even mean? A Senior Security Engineer 2. So you're a Senior 2. So you're a second level Senior. As opposed to a first level Senior or a Super Senior. We need to include that vocabulary now. We should now all include Super Seniors to make us all feel like we got held back. It's like, oh, you could be a staff engineer, but no, you're a Super Senior. I have senior in my title on LinkedIn. But they don't use senior at Weave. It's like we don't. Oh, cockroach. But we have this path. Oh, we're returning that? We return FN? No, we're not. We're not returning FN. Of a Google L5? We're only returning an error from now on. Because I made it a constant. Come on, guys. So it's just a file name. Okay. There isn't there a command where you can print out the files? I just want to see it's there. Golang parse directory. No, I don't. That Golang files in. What? Oh, I see. Software engineer, senior software engineer 2 is an L5. What the heck is a distinguished software engineer? Wow. Walmart Global Tech. Did Weave ever add theirs? Should I add mine? Can you add yours? Cause like I want to add what Weave pays me. I think everybody should. Whoa! Yeah. Look at that. What is a Google Fellow? How much money do you make if it's a Google Fellow? I mean, yes. People add their information here. It's not like they're nobody from HR is saying it. It's just individuals anonymously submitting, right? Stack Overflow questions. Oh! Thank you. I knew that was a thing. Yeah, that's... I should! The sub-tier should be fellows. That's killer. I like that idea. Yeah. I agree. I just want to list them. Straight up. You're the best. And somebody should comment that out. Right here. Printing that connection string. Well, import it then, you weirdo. We don't need to handle that error because this is going away. To do, remove lines 40 through 46. I agree. See? Look at that. So there is a cert right there. So that looks right. I'm gonna have to freaking change my password again. You guys are the best. Good thing there's nothing in that database right now. Yeah, I mean, yeah, see, like, this is the default. So I think we need to fix the formatting on that, right? Like, I think, let me try something. Oh, 100%, it's the file path. That's not a file path, that's a string. That's what I was gonna try. Right here in that FN. It should be something like that. No, I was reading... Don't read the code. Read the connection string. Right? Because this is what it uses by default. And this is what I've been setting it to when I create it. But now that I'm hard coding it, because I'm hard coding right here. Explaining this is good for me. This is really good for me. Right? So here I'm essentially hard coding a file name. Oh, concrete guns. Thank you. So either I need to do this, right? And be like, oh, pull it from right here, like locally right here. Right, or I need to format that here. Let's try with formatting it on FN first. Concrete guns with another sub? That's 2 subs today. You guys are killing it. 2 subs. What? Oh my goodness. We're almost hitting our follower goal. We've got 2 subs. We've got active chat. I'm going to have to start streaming only exclusively before 2 p.m. Lulu! Hello! So, right? What I'm saying made sense, though. I mean, it should have. Right? Because this right here, that's not going to direct it to anywhere. Concrete guns, thank you so much. Oh, look at that. That didn't like that. We can't do it that way. I need an example. Does anybody have an example connection string? Example SSL connection string Postgres. Can't spell, but you know. Oh, we need the one with the cert. That's what we... I think we still need to... So... I have a question. Where are the DBAs when you need them? Never present, I'll tell you that. I still think we need to set this. This right here. So it's the same. And it has a default. So we're setting that. Well, I mean... Thanks for that. The cert is the CockroachDB cert, so it verifies my host to connect to the CockroachDB service. I've had this working in the past. I mean, I have this locally. Locally, I have this, so I kill that parameter. And it should work. Like, we can just try that. Just to make sure we understand how it works, right? Yeah, that's what we were doing before. It's not a public cert. It is a private one that I get by running a curl command. See? This is literally... It's a good thing to have right here. That thing that... Anyway, I clearly have to change... my password's been all over the place, so I'll have to change my password. There should not be public in the name. I apologize. If there's public in the name, then that's a no bueno. No, not you. So this right here. Milo 24, thank you for that follow. We appreciate all of the follows we get here on the Soy Pete stream. They're very important to us. They really keep us going sometimes. So this right here is what it's supposed to look like essentially, but we're changing the cert to be home.postgresql.root cert to be the other one that we're getting in there. Kane the Game, thank you so much. Hey, have a good one, N Button. Thank you for all your help. You've been super awesome. And welcome, Kane the Game. N Button got me super excited about figuring out some SSL stuff. Right, so this should work. I run that. Anyway, the point is, I can run, I've connected to that database. That's my point. I've connected to that database using that connection string. The only thing we're changing, oh, well, not this connection string specifically, because I do have a different password. Oh my gosh, I do really need to get going. Oh my goodness. Okay. But I'm so excited about this. Yeah, see, path to forward authentication failed because that's the wrong password. But what if I tried... So I have this in here, DB. Okay, so that works with the DB root cert. So it should work with a public root cert. What if I move that to DB? Then I know what it should be, and that's predictable. Right? Okay, so I RM, well, it should, did it clean up? Oh, it didn't. Cockroach. Cool. RM, cockroach, public cert. So if I do mvim db-cockroach, and I change that to db, oh my gosh, I'm getting so hungry. Cluster name missing in connection string? No, it's not. Right? The cluster name is right here. Free tier.gcp cockroach lab 728. That's the same. Oh, I don't have the cluster name. Options cluster name. Who commented that out? Probably the same person that commented out the other garbage. Then we have an options. Is it hyphen cluster name? Oh, it's because options. I don't have a DBON, and options don't have those. Guys, I probably didn't need to change any of this. I just needed to fix options. Okay, so now we're back to the cert stuff. Notice how they have options at the end? That shouldn't matter. I need to escape that hyphen, don't I? That slash. I mean, I shouldn't need to. Couldn't parse PEM and SSL cert. What is that? Mustafa, how you doing? Welcome to chat. We're glad to have you here. I'm messing with certs again. Yeah, I might just commit this. Emote only chat? Yeah, let's go. Guys, we gotta get that emote wall working. Right? Creating a draft pull request. I'm going to share this. But I have yeah, what do you want to ask me? Any question? I'm happy with that. I hope I can answer it. Like, you know, that's my goal. What you got for me?
Oh yeah, yeah, like, exactly.
Yeah, yeah. Look, 6-6 even.
Kit, sorry, just quickly on this kit. Again, remember what I was saying about kit.
Do I think test automated like as a career? I think the trend that I've been seeing is that people do not want to hire QA engineers or even like SDETs, like software developer. Like they're only hiring those kinds of people. If you're like Google or Netflix or a thing company, that's not Facebook, because Facebook's Meta. Like that's my thought. Like they want people to do their own testing, right? Like with TDD and other things. Yeah, like they want, that's what they don't like. So having that as a career, I think is really limiting. But having it as a skill is not. Knowing how to test, writing tests, automating tests is a very valuable skill for any software engineer. And I think that's kind of where it's at. Like, so, I mean, that's what I think we should do. Like, that's what I would focus on if I was you. Anyway, I have to jiff off to the dentist. Guys, thank you so much for today. It's been amazing. Really active chat. Really good stream. I'm sorry we couldn't get anything like really deployed and working, but we got a lot of stuff done. And I think I'm in a better place than I was when we started. I will be back on Friday, so I hope to see all of you then. And thank you so much for like everything. See ya.